This video teaches you how to create a record of your expenses, income, and balance on a day-to-day basis using Microsoft Excel. Click New in the menu. Click the search bar. Type budget, then press Enter. Select a template. Click Create. Fill out your template. Save your personal budget. Making a manual budget. Click Blank Workbook. Enter your budget headers. In the expense column, type in the name of each expense that you anticipate for at least a month. Then enter the cost of each expense across from the pertinent expense names. Enter your income. Enter your account balance using the formula. Add notes. Click the first empty cell below the cost column, then type in the following formula. Press Enter. You'll use this same exact formula for the income and balance fields as well. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.